what happened sometime when we do conversation. So in that conversation, we try to speak English to English. So what happened? We are not able to give exact answer because we are thinking in our mother tongue language, and we are converting that sentences to English, and after that we give answer. It takes too much time, it takes too much energy. So today our video is how to think in English. It will boost your confidence, and you will be able to deliver your message fast and naturally. So let's talk about this topic. So start from small. First, use simple English words for daily tasks. For example, when we wake up, we can say, I'm brushing my teeth, and I will have breakfast. This makes your brain comfortable with English. Do whatever you can do in English. For example, you can turn your devices in English if it is possible, and you can watch English videos. You can write anything in English language, and you can read book in English language. You can read newspaper in English, and you can talk in English language. What happens sometimes when we do conversation in English, when we don't know any word, so in that time we use another language, but we should not do that thing, I think, because our focus is to learn English. So why we use another language? So what happen when we stuck in any word, so you can use alternative word, you can use alternative sentences. There is a lot of way to speak one thing in alternative manner also, like there is a synonyms also of words. So try to speak in English, don't try to give up. Okay, and you can do in English whatever you can do. Translation is good, I also use translation, but translation should be your second option. First, we should use our mind, we should think in English, we should try a lot. When we are not able to find how we can translate, then you can use translation. But in starting time, you should avoid using translation too much. First, you should use your mind. Labels items with English word. For example, when we go to any place, we can say that shop is amazing. This is a tree, and we bought that item from that store. And you can say whatever you know. When we go to ground, we can say that player was amazing, he was performing very well, and my watch is beautiful. You can say whatever you know. And when we learn any vocabulary, so we should learn vocabulary English to English, I think. That is going to help us a lot, because when we learn any word and we learn that word meaning in English language, so in that same time we are improving our pronunciation also, I think, and that is going to help you a lot. And we can talk to ourselves, like we can ask ourselves a lot of questions, like what I did today, and what was my daily schedule. For example, today I will go market, I will buy vegetable, I will cook food. You can ask anything, and this is going to help you a lot, and you can improve your English. Be patient and do practice. Practice make man perfect.